Open a browser and search for Inkscape. Click the first link in the search results. Click the download button. Choose the option for your OS. Click the version you want to download. Wait for the download to finish. Click the downloaded file to start installing. Click Yes when the user account control panel asks for permission. Select your language and click OK. Click Next. Click Next. You can change the installation path if you want. Select your installation folder and click OK. Click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Click Finish. You can pin the software to the taskbar. Right-click on the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.